Valentine's Day is over, but if you're looking to treat your family to a special dinner, there is an easy way.
Angie Horkin from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here with some new recipes. Hi, Angie.
Hello.
We were just talking about Angie's trying to do hearty, stick-to-your-ribs kinds of recipes, and it's 50 degrees
Usually what we crave in February.
Well, yeah.
Yes.
On a typical year. But
Not today.
Yeah.
I'm still craving, so don't worry.
Okay, good. So I've got you covered.
Yeah.
So I have a bolognese recipe. So it's a porcini, mushroom, and beef bolognese. So just a really nice, hearty Italian meat sauce.
It's like a stick-to-your-ribs
It
thing.
is. Starts with 2 pounds of lean ground beef. Saute that up with some onion. There's quite a few ingredients in this recipe, but it is worth it. And then you kind of simmer it for a long time. It takes about an hour.
Oh,
sorry.
You want to stir that?
You want to stir that?
Yeah.
And then we can put it right in the bowl in the noodles.
Oh.
But then also in here, I have some fresh creminis and then dried porcinis, which I could find.
Can I go ahead and
yes,
put this on?
go ahead.
Okay.
And then a little bit of prosciutto and a little bit of pancetta.
Pancetta is a kind of bacon.
I think so. It's in the supermarket right by the prosciutto.
Okay.
But yeah, adds a
look
lot
at
of
that.
flavor.
Isn't that
Some
beautiful?
sun-dried tomato. You know, and there's not like tomato sauce in here.
Yeah.
What gives it the tomato flavor is a little bit of the sun-dried tomato, and they're not packed in oil. They were just the dried ones, and then they reconstituted in the sauce. And then tomato paste.
And
then some beef stock. Of course, some red wine in there to give it some depth of flavor. A little bit of a tablespoon of sugar, some fresh thyme. Serve it over a hot cooked pasta. Perfect. Stick to your ribs.
Parmesan cheese
little
on
fresh
top.
Parmesan if you like.
You know, I like this recipe because this could either be a fancy dinner if for a special occasion, or your boys would just snarf that whole bowl right up.
Exactly.
And I think you could definitely make it ahead. It says an hour 45, start to finish on the website, but you could definitely make it ahead because you know sauces like this taste kind of better after sitting in the fridge a day. So.
Yeah. Okay, now what is this beast?
Okay, so this looks really fancy, but not many ingredients. So I took a flank steak, so unrolled it in the package, and I actually put some plastic wrap on top and bottom, put it on my cutting board, and I pounded it a little bit flatter.
Okay.
So and that'll also tenderize it too. And then I stuffed it with fresh Parmesan cheese, a little bit of diced onion, and then fresh diced just button mushrooms. And then a little prosciutto. I saved a couple strips of prosciutto from here, put in here. I did that in the food processor. Those 4 ingredients, lay it on your flank, roll it up.
So it's sort of almost liquidy.
Yeah, it is.
Like a paste.
And then, yeah, it's like a paste, exactly. And then roll it up, tie it with some butcher's string. Okay, put 1 can of crushed tomatoes in the bottom of your slow cooker. Okay. Because you're gonna slow cook it on high, 4 hours. And then add in a little bit of salt and pepper and Italian seasoning. And then put the flank steak after you tie it, tie it 3-4 times. Put that right on top, kind of roll it around, and then put the lid on 4 hours on high. And then it comes out like that, just beautiful. Pull your string off, slice it. This is on polenta, so kind of different. But I think it would be great with any pasta, even a potato maybe if you like. But slow cooked beef and mushroom bracciole. I'm gonna say it wrong.
Bracciole.
Okay.
I'll take that.
There you go.
Bracciole.
Yes.
I love this.
Kind of fancy looking, but not too bad. You can do it. Super easy.
This is great.
Find in the supermarket. So beeftips.com this month, I've kind of still got these warm, braising recipes, Valentine's kind of special steaks. You know, splurge one night.
Yeah.
Have a great beef meal.
Winter's not over yet.
It is not. Right.
All right, thank you, Angie.
You're
Great to
welcome.
see you.